Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. I hope your trading journey is going amazing, and I hope you all are doing well. Let's start the video. For those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. You can also message us on Telegram at @binary support. All the links are available in the description, so make sure to check them out. As you guys know, on this channel we explain our trades and the logic behind the signals that we provide in our free group as well as in our VIP group. This video is also about explaining the trades that we provided in both groups. All of our trades are non-martingale trades. Now let's move on to the first trade. We provided a trade on E or CAD for the upside move. The logic behind this trade was that a green candle broke above the moving average. After that, two red candles formed, showing weakness before continuation to the upside. Since the moving average was also supporting the price, we provided a buy signal and we won our first trade. Next, let's move on to the second trade, which we provided in the VIP group on EUSD for the call side. You can see there was a clear support level. The red candle showed weakness near the support, which is why we provided a buy signal. This trade also resulted in a win. Now, let's move on to the next trade, which was on EURJPY for the call side move. When we provided the signal, we got the entry near a strong support level. As you can see, the candle closed above the support level and we won this trade as well. Next, let's move on to another trade on EURUSD, but this time for the downside move. The logic behind this trade was the presence of a clear resistance level. Based on that resistance, we provided a sell signal, and this trade resulted in an excellent win. Here, you can see the final result. We won 4 non-martingale trades. All of our trades in this session were non-martingale. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts below. If you have any suggestions or doubts, feel free to comment. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.